It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make it clear.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with Beauty Forever once more. It's the same packaging as usual. I got the box in this drawstring bag and everything is branded with Beauty Forever on it. So let's get into the box, see what we got. So obviously there's the wig, which we're gonna get into, and then there's a goodie bag. I got a pair of HD wig caps, patterned elastic band, and a brush. And I also got another elastic band which is branded, another pair of HD wig caps, and then there's this like tape, like lace tape. So yeah, that's everything in the box. This is, I got another beautiful Byebye knots wig, okay, and this is a 7x5 lace closure. You got it right. So the reason why it's Byebye knots is because they've upgraded it in a way where they try their best to make the lace look invisible and as realistic as possible. It even came pre-plucked, pre-cut, and they added swoops to it, you know, in case you don't know how to do it yourself. The lace is already nicely bleached. You don't need to go in and do that on your own. Like, it's so beginner friendly, and it is a glueless wig. Yeah, it's a glueless wig. It came with this gorgeous center part, but you could actually part it anywhere within the wig, like within the portion that has lace if you wish. So that's really nice. It is a beautiful 1B color. The hair is very soft. It is a body wave texture, and it's 24 inches long. It is very full. I absolutely love it. The quality is definitely giving. And this is how the inside of the cap looks. It has a adjustable silicone like elastic, you know, so you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. This is really the key to a good glueless wig. It's really what keeps it secure and snug to your head. There's only one comb in today's cap. Really don't need a lot of combs because once you have this elastic band, you're good. This part really just helps it to stay attached to the back of your head, and then within the cap they put this non-slip silicone part, so it's really nicely constructed. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this very easy, beginner friendly glueless wig install. Okay, so guys, I'm pretty sure you see, once I slip the wig on, it is so snugged, like it's not going anywhere. So yes, the swoops are pre-styled. I'm gonna tweak them. Most of the time I have to end up, you know, tweaking them to fit my face better because it's too long, and you know, and I need to put it further apart. So I'm gonna fix that. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. But look at this. Let me do a shake test to show you guys how secure this is on my head. Beauty Forever really did their thing. Okay, let's do it. Guys, the wig, it didn't shift, it didn't move. It is very snugged and my head isn't hurting me. Okay, please make note, the wig is very flat. The space is just right. Like, this is definitely, like, I have to say, one of the leading type of closure wigs. A lot of space to work with, like glueless. You don't have to worry about, you know, your lace lifting, you know, it looking gunky. Out with the old, in with the new. Yep. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward through me just, you know, fixing the swoops right here. Okay, so let's do that. And before I actually do that, I'm going to eliminate any cast that might be in the very front with some of my powder. If you want, you could use foundation. I don't like using foundation on my lace. It's just a little bit too much product for me, and I don't want all that residue on my lace. I prefer to use powder, which is way lighter.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make it clear. I fall for you
Hair is so soft. Look at those waves. Check those waves out, and it's so full, so full. So what I'm gonna do is just use my hot comb to press down the top a little bit flatter, and then I'm going to recurl just the front here because I love the way the waves look. Like, they look so good. But I'm just gonna recurl the front pieces to let them fall differently. But the install was super quick, super easy. Definitely a top tier wear and go kind of wig. Like, the lace looks immaculate. Guys, you cannot tell me that this doesn't look like I just went to the salon and got a fresh, like, professionally done install. This looks so good. This looks so good. Beauty Forever, you did your thing. For these wigs, I feel like to really start the show, you have to have an immaculate cap construction, and I think Beauty Forever nailed it. The lace quality is very beautiful. As they said, it's definitely a Byebye knots 7x5 lace closure glueless wig. Remember now, glueless, no adhesive needed, none. And all I had to do was kind of just, you know, recurl the front here to have this nice little fall going on. It looks really good, really stunning. So I'm in love, and the installation time really didn't take that long. So I definitely highly recommend to all my first timers that want to get into wigs, you know, yeah, I recommend. Little to no experience needed and you're good to go. I say what takes the most time with this wig initially is just like styling it. That's if you want to restyle it or whatever. Yeah, that's the only thing, but it is perfect. One thing I forgot to show you guys was actually how much you can actually part within the lace closure portion. So that's what I'm showing now on the screen. You can get a nice side part with this, a nice deep side part with this, or part it any other place within the closure portion on the wig. So it is versatile, you know, so I do love that as well. Shout out to Beauty Forever again for today's bomb wig look. It really came together really nicely, and as usual, you guys know you can go ahead and check my description box if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself. The direct link is down there, as well as the specifications, so check that out. Black Friday is coming up. You know, there's a lot of deals, a lot of sales going on. If I have any discount code, one will be listed. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today though. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm very pleased, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Keep this feeling to myself. Now you're the one thinking of my higher ground.